I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to be introducing my cousin brother and we are going to be telling why I stopped uploading for 5 months, and I'm also going to be telling about rebranding my channel, changing the name, logo, almost everything, and the type of content I make. I'll also be introducing my cousin over here.
Hey, I'm Nanda. It's very nice to meet you.
And this guy's a huge fan of Nerf.
Yes.
We'll also show our Nerf guns, so stay tuned for that too. So look here in our video, notifications don't go, so please share it to your friends, and most importantly subscribe and like. So let's get right on into it. First up on the list, today I'll tell why I've been not been uploading. First of all, I lost my other cousin brother who was a really good cameraman, and then I also was losing content. I didn't know what to do, and I also lost a bit of interest. But then now I'm back on it, so it's all for you guys. And then I'm also going to tell why I'm going to be rebranding my channel, because I didn't upload for a 5-month span, so my video won't come in the recommendations. Even though my video has 200 views, it will never come. That everyone knows. But then when you search day in my life, mine used to come in first and stay there. So now it would be probably gone down. So we are planning on rebranding and doing all of it. Maybe remove a few uploads also. So let's start with the Nerf gun one. So here we've got the Alpha Strike. It's like a revolver, Disruptor remake, strong arm, hammer shot, whatever it is. This one's budget, although it's not the best gun you can go for in this Alpha Strike series. This guy's got some words to say.
Okay, so it's a pistol, it's a revolver. It's like I don't know if you've heard about the Disruptor and the strong arm. It's like that, but it's the Alpha Strike model. The grip is good and it's kind of very accurate. I mean, though the scope is not that, it's very accurate. You should check it out.
Yeah, check it out. And now we have one more guy to introduce. We forgot. Yugan, he's my younger sibling. He'll be showing up, giving me all the guns, because if I bend, the whole chair will go like this. So up with the next Nerf gun, we got Tri-Break. It's this Elite Mega gun that has 3 rounds inside it. We can put 3 rounds like this. Or we could also remove this thing and just use it normally, so it can make a bit sense also.
You should try it. It has so much of power. You should try
Also,
it.
that's one thing I like to compliment about this. The grip. It's just too small nowadays. Like such a wide gun or with such a small grip, it's a bit disproportionate. Although there's no point in this part, this mechanism, because even if you remove it, you can still shoot it. But I prefer it like this because it just looks so cool. So up with our next gun, got Retaliator. I sort of tried modding it, but then I messed up. If I had pictures of this gun with the real clean paint, I would have sent a picture to you guys, but then unfortunately I couldn't. And here we have our magazine.
It's a 12-dot magazine and it's a very accurate gun, and as you can see, it has a stock. Like, it's very comfortable to keep. Like, if the gun is without the stock like this, wait, look, you can't shoot a gun like this, it's very uncomfortable. But a stock gun, look, it's very comfortable. You can go like this.
Now
You can sneak better actually.
where will you go?
It's like a lot. It has a lot of the
Now
magazine,
we've
the
also
medicine.
got the barrel that's
Yeah.
a bit of mess up. It's got a foldable iron sight that I really like. And moving on to the next gun, to move a bit faster so that we can finish this video. Okay, because of my brother's doing. Even we feel sad, but then we just can't do anything about it. So we just accept and move on. Although this gun's really cool if you're giving it to a 9-year-old, he'll be like, I'm Captain America, and he'll sort of try blocking, but when we tell the fact that that's a gun, he's just gonna freak out.
It's also a good shield. You can use it though it's broken.
This one's X-Shot, Zero X-Shot, I forgot it. So, Zero X-Shot unnamed this. So, over here we put a magazine that's, a clip. And if you don't know the difference between a clip and a magazine is a sort of a mag that, you sort of put it from here and, you prime it and shoot. But a clip, it has different mechanism and it moves on like this.
And it's very accurate. It has so much of power. If you do like this and release normal guns, like the normal other guns or whatever model you're using, you do like this and shoot, it's going to go normal, okay, it's not going to be. But this gun, I tried shooting kind of a very hard thing, and it actually moved a lot, and it's very, very, very powerful. But be careful.
Price range is very good. No, it's unbeatable. There's so much good content in it. And now we have
The Bulldog. It holds some darts here, like 3 darts here, and it shoots 3 darts here. You can just load it normally, and you have this button, like if you push it, you can load it like this, and it's kind of cool. It's like almost like a sniper, and this thing, as I told you, stocks are very comfortable, and it has this thing which is also nice for kind of like sniping. So it has one tactical range. So use it carefully.
The advantage is that you got 2 modes, pistol mode. The disadvantage is that there are 2 modes, pistol and long mode. The mode where you sort of shooting long range. The
It's
disadvantage,
like a sniper mixed with the LMG mixed with the assault rifle, kind of.
so here we sort of have a spot where a small dude with big hands can't fit the hands, so this one big advantage. Even I'm finding it a bit hard. And moving on to the next gun, of course. This is my oldest gun, Fire Strike. It's like my favorite till now. Like it's got a laser, we have to put batteries, so yeah, of course. It's primed.
It holds
like
2 darts, and it's very nice, and it's like a mini pistol which you can use. Even though you don't have a big gun like the other guys, you can use this. It's like, even if you're using it, has power, accuracy, and the laser lights help you to focus on a target.
And this gun's main advantage is that it's in a good price range, got good performance, and I would say this is part of the top 10 elite guns out there, or even the top 10 sidearms. Now we've got the shotgun rough cut.
Yeah. It shoots
like
2 darts at
gold.
once, and it's like slam fire mode.
Like it's a pump action blast, not slam fire cycle. So when you shoot it like that, it sort of makes you feel like you're holding a shotgun. For some kids it will sound like a sniper, but then mostly a shotgun. It shoots 2 darts at a time.
But one disadvantage, it has no accuracy. You got to believe me. No accuracy. But in the starting, it's like a little bit like nice accuracy, and then sometime I don't know what happens. It gets a little bit old, or the problem with the pump action is like going low. So it's a
Fine
fine.
gun at conclusion. There's one more disadvantage I'd like to spot out. When I'm shooting 2 darts, for example, there are 8 darts in total, and when I'm taking my shot, like after doing that, only not just 2 darts, like 3 or 4 will go. Like that's one main disadvantage. It will really not help you clutch up in mode 4. Next one, no. Oh yeah, and here we have I tried opening a disruptor still cry for it in my sleep. I screwed open it. It had a lot of parts. I sort of understood how it worked. This was a slam file gun.
And guys, next time if I'm able to take my disruptor, I'll surely take it and show to you I have a disruptor.
And yeah, we are done with all our Nerf guns. And now we are going to end for today's video. And before that, I'd like to make an announcement. Do you guys feel, sort of that I upload really rarely? I'm gonna start uploading from now. If I miss out on any content, I'm gonna upload gaming. So be ready for that too. So this is the end of the video, guys. Again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel that's going to be rebranded Big Shots. I'll also post an announcement on YouTube that I have rebranded my channel and probably make a gaming video. So stay tuned